Okay, so as you've seen, we've just Playtronic that car at the end of the other end of the workshop, and if the wheel alignment was out, this is basically the machine that will be coming to correct that. This wheel alignment machine measures the front and rear toe angles of the vehicle, as well as camber and caster. So basically we've got it already hooked up to the machine. It's a laserless machine. These cords are purely just to provide power to each head. There's a laser beam that runs from this mirror here to this mirror on the front, and also measures across from this side here across. So it's a four wheel alignment. So it's also a front adjustment as well as a rear adjustment. So we'll walk up to the machine and I'll show you a reading on the rear axle. So basically we've measured the car. We know that the rear is out. This is left hand. This is the right hand side of the car at the rear, as well as that the camber of the wheel. So when we say camber, it's the angle. So the wheels are pointing in that direction or out that direction. So with the toe, it's more so like that. Toe in, toe out. So this is what we're checking. The actual back of the car is, total toe is 6.5 millimetres. We'd like to see the total toe of the vehicle probably 2.5 millimetres either side to give us a total toe about 5. These will come down probably to about 1 degree, which is okay. We go through the next screen. This is where we can check our front axle. This will tell us the camber readings once again. Caster is not adjustable on this particular model, some models are. As well as that, it'll give us the front toe. Now to correct the front toe, we need to go into the next screen. Wants us to set our steering to the centre position so we can make sure that the car steers straight and the tyres are pointing in the right direction. So basically it's telling us the left hand and right hand camber of the front end and the front toe as well, with a total toe of that reading there. We'd probably like to see 1 to 1.5 either side. So the left hand side's out. This could be from hitting a gutter or a pothole or just out. So that does need to be adjusted. And what will happen is if we left the vehicle like that, it'd increase the tyre wear of the vehicle, so it'd probably scrub out a tyre and it'd need to be replaced. Then all the adjustment on the vehicle, firstly we have to take the car up and adjust the wheel alignment. We adjust it by moving the toe rods. Okay, so we start with the back of the car. The back's got to be adjusted first. So we walk around this way. It's going to be hard to see. Basically this is where we adjust the rear toe. This nut here and this nut, this will push the wheel inner or outer, whichever way we need to adjust it. So once that's set on the screen, the right reading will come up. Then the rear is adjusted. We do it side by side. We do the left hand and right hand. We do the back of the car first, because we've got to make sure it's pointing in the right direction for the front wheels. Then we adjust the front toe, which this is on the steering rack itself. And it's up in here. So basically it's the same procedure as the back. We play around with that until the wheel alignment's at the specified spec that we got, and then the wheel alignment's done.